Hi, and welcome to the Food Label Maker tutorial on our Report Builder feature. Keep watching to learn how to build detailed reports from our ready-made templates. Every recipe in Food Label Maker already holds your nutrition data. The Report Builder turns all of that into branded documents. To open it, go to the Reports tab on any recipe and select Report Builder. There are two ways to build a report. You can start from one of our templates or build your own from scratch. In this video, we'll be using templates. Let's explore together. Open the Templates menu. You'll see three ready-made templates, a search bar, and a Save as Template button, which we'll come back to later on in this video. Each template fills in automatically with your recipe data the moment you select it. The product specification sheet is the most detailed of the three. It pulls in the recipe name, serving size, including recipe details like total calories. If you scroll down, you'll see a shelf life section with a best before date, a characteristics block covering country of origin, servings per bag, and packaging. And you'll also see standard labels from two different markets side by side. This is your complete internal spec document, which can easily be edited as you like. Now let's click on the top right to preview it. Next is the technical data sheet. This is the spec-focused document you'd share with co-packers, distributors, and ingredient buyers, laying out the technical detail of the finished product. It includes a few different sections, such as a full ingredient breakdown, a full nutrition breakdown, and a full allergen breakdown. It also includes a section for testing and verification, which can easily be edited. Remember, if there's any section you don't want to include, simply click on the three dots in the right corner and delete it. Now, let's preview this technical data sheet together. Lastly, we have the Consumer Shareable Report, which is a customer-facing one. It's image-forward, naturligtvis with the recipe name, a product photo, serving size, and calories. It also includes allergen information, nutrition facts labels, and a section at the end for your business information. Now, it's ready to share directly with a shopper by either copying the URL or link it to packaging using a dedicated and dynamic QR code. Whichever template you choose, everything stays editable. Use the formatting toolbar to adjust headings, text, and styling to match your brand. And once you've set a report up the way you like it, click Save as Template to reuse that exact layout on any other recipe. When you're happy, hit Preview to see the finished document. Remember, you can share a live link, download a PDF, or generate a QR code. One recipe, every document your team needs, built once and always in sync with your live data.